Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to set up rate limiting in Cloudflare. So first of all, you just have to come here on cloudflare.com, then simply sign in into your account first. Now, after signing into your account, you just have to first of all click on the option of the domains. Then among the given domains that you have on Cloudflare, you need to select that particular domain that you want to protect. So after selecting the domain, you will be landed on the domains settings page. So you just have to simply select that. Now when you are here inside your domain, you need to now hover over to the left hand side, then click on the option of security. Then among the security options, simply click on the option of security rules. Now inside the security rules, you will be shown the option of create rules. So simply click on it. Then among the given options, select the option of rate limiting rules in order to create a new rate limiting rule. Now you need to give your rule a descriptive name, then define which requests it should apply to. You can also choose an HTTP field such as URI path, and you can also specify the value that you want to protect. Under with the same characteristics, you can choose the Cloudflare should use to count requests such as the client's IP address. Afterwards, when rate exceeds option, you can set the maximum number of requests and the time period. For example, you could limit a login endpoint to 10 requests per minute. Now here you will also see the option of then taken action. So over here you can just simply choose what Cloudflare should do when the limit is reached, such as block. So you can also set the mitigation duration, which determines how long the action remains active. So once you fill out all these fields over here, simply click on the option of deploy in order to activate this particular rule. So that's how you can basically do it. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.